Who the hell do you think you are? This is not your place. I am part of this staff, not you. I don't want to see your smug face here anymore. Get your flat ass out of here.
Hello and welcome to Infect Plays Games. Today is Battle Day, and as you can see we're all four together. Today we're going to be playing Mario Kart Double Dash against each other. You all ready?
Yeah.
I was born ready.
Okay.
So, like this?
Yes.
Sure.
Go.
150, that's right. Okay. Where is he? Hey! Who took my Yoshi?
Okay, I'm
Okay, I'll be 30. Oh right, I'm playing 4. Weirdo.
Where is my
Taking
standard
away.
card? Fuck me.
I wanted to take those two. Okay. Just say.
Okay.
Let's go. Not my favorite card, but
I think
So-
we'll take the star.
just so everybody knows, we are you. You picked who?
I picked Birdo and Mario.
I picked Valuigi and Luigi.
Can't remember.
He's some other two dudes.
okay. So I picked Yoshi and Paracoopa.
Okay.
So which cup, guys?
Pick Toad.
Far
and-
Cup?
Toad
Let's go.
and yeah. Okay.
This
let's go.
one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Go
hold
ahead.
on. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna break your faces.
I'm gonna break your face.
Okay.
Round
Okay.
1 of 6. What the hell?
6.
What's this? Okay.
Oh yeah.
I thought.
Player number 1. Okay.
Off to a good start, we see.
So who's player number 2?
I think it's me.
It's Mr. Orlovsky.
I don't even know the
so-
control. How do you shoot something? Shut up.
Y and X.
Oh, I need to get back into the game. Oh man.
Yeah.
Is it just me or is there a slight delay?
Yeah.
No, I'm feeling
Yeah.
okay.
It's no game.
It's a capture card.
No,
that's-
it's no game.
it's no game.
I think it's a capture card.
No,
because
it's
I never
not, yeah.
felt this way.
It cannot be.
You don't
Johnny
remember it this way.
He gets
How?
You don't remember it.
I think I do. I'm first anyway, so who cares then? Just
Fuck off, man.
oh no!
Come on.
Oh,
I can hear it.
So who's first?
Yeah, I got it.
Take a piece of that blue one.
Okay.
Go away!
No.
I really don't remember the controls like that.
Yeah, but I didn't play this game for.
I wasted.
Yep, you did.
And I wasted that. Oh man.
I can't be last one.
No, it's 6 rounds after all.
Yeah,
Ooh. Ah, crap. Come on. No.
The fuck was that?
Ah!
Okay.
Okay. You wanna play
Ah,
like that?
fucking.
Just where are you guys? It's like fucking boring.
I'm last. How is this possible? Come on. I was doing so well.
It's your
No.
controller, man.
I missed everything.
Yeah, it's the ergonomics of your controller.
through you.
I hate cars.
What? Sneaky bastard. Did you put down?
No, who was that?
Me.
Yeah, I know.
No, you didn't.
Me. Gimme.
Ah, freaking bus. Come on. Double, 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 double. Ah, fuck.
What's that
Oh,
special?
that- oh,
What's?
Yeah, it's the special your character has.
Okay.
No. No. Oh, fuck you. Do it. Do it.
No.
Oh, man. Fuck off.
What's this? No.
No, don't take this one. Oh, man.
No. No.
Come on, I still have one last chance. I always
Come
hated
on.
these tracks with the freaking
Traffic.
cars.
Yeah. Traffic sucks.
Oh! Oh! Fuck off.
No.
Come on, no!
Coming for you.
No. What's that? So it's over and I lost.
No! What the fuck? Oh, but well, it's like fucking boring all the time. Last.
Well,
Fuck off, man.
as you see, we got-
fucking asshole. I fucking hate this game.
as you see, we got Henkel first place, Mike in second, myself in third,
I came in very close.
and poor old PJ in fourth.
So it doesn't take.
Okay, yeah.
Another
That's
track
just
automatically?
like I said, so it doesn't matter.
Oh.
This one? Okay, let's go.
Oh wait,
No?
some of us know the game.
Better than
so
others.
I would
Another-
think it's
it's
better
another
if we
map.
take a random map, no?
Okay. I would just
Yeah.
hate if the rainbow map
Peach
would
Beach.
come.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, we're on Peach Beach.
With them sucky controls. Would be very
Ah, come on! Soon.
It's not my real name. Oh, fuck.
No! Why? Yeah, you can stop all hitting me, okay? I'm not first.
You know what's kind of annoying me is that I can't just keep a
How can
freaking
I-
shell.
How can I miss
They are launched
every
automatically.
item?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
No, I miss every item.
No problem.
It's still on
I see a blue shell down there, so I don't care.
Well,
you. From second place, I don't think so.
blue shell incoming.
That's just what I said.
So it wasn't yours.
No. Just saw him in the corner of my screen.
Screen looking.
You can avenge yourself by taking me down.
Nah.
Well, I'm
That's
still
all
the
about
last
the
for
race.
some freaking reason.
I'm all about the race. Oh.
Miss.
How would you miss that?
I don't know, but I missed it.
And I miss every item. Really everyone. So. Stop it!
Stop. Oh, stop.
In the name of love.
Is that an actual song?
You don't know that
come
song!
Maybe.
It was my own banana. I just bought.
He doesn't. He doesn't know that
It's,
song.
it's my path, you know. It's just the.
Path of the banana. Yahoo!
How do you change the driver?
Z.
See, to
see,
be
just change the
precise.
Special! Of course. Of course. Oh my god.
Ah! That was my own red shell that was
Oh,
on
fuck.
floor. What the hell?
I hit my own green shell with another green shell. What did you read?
Banana.
I am a banana! It's coming.
Ah, no! At last.
Fuck off! Oh.
I mean, you should be the veteran.
Me?
Yeah,
I played this game once in my life.
that's your problem.
Give me a Super Nintendo controller. That will be different.
Oh no 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 no! Early trash talk.
Early trash talk.
I swallow my words. I swallowed them. I swallowed them. Well done, you bastard.
Randomize.
Okay.
Yeah. Luigi's.
Luigi is you know, he's a well-known character in the Mario series.
Oh god.
Oh god, oh god.
No 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 no!
I really tried.
Goodbye, bitches.
Kapuya!
Yeah, eat this one, big.
No, no.
Oh, I'm the last one.
No, stop.
Special!
No, why everybody? I hate you all.
Well, you can always go home.
Ooh, almost.
Oh my face. Get out of my face.
Ah, that's
What
It's
the
okay.
fuck?
Boost! Hey, boost?
Eat that. Okay? That's a sniper shot.
What's the sniper about that shot? No! Oh, it's true. Special! America!
What's it? No, 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 go, go.
What the f...
Thank God for that man.
Blue
No,
shot.
can you
oh,
please?
2 in 1! 2 in 1! Ah, misused that flash.
Almost got hit.
Use.
Oh, fuck off.
No.
Oh, what the hell.
Oh, stop.
Yeah, double.
Fuck it.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Oh, come on. One's for you then.
Screw you!
Come on.
I caught the damn shell. The star.
Well, it's not for long. It's not for long.
Ah!
See? See? How is she still first? Oh, man.
Oh, come on. I hate it when I miss the items.
Yeah. Don't be
Yeah.
all.
Battle Royale.
Oh, come on. I'm just sliding.
Oh, come on. Oh, fuck off.
Thank you guys.
No.
I just missed
No, no, I'm lost forever.
items 3 times in a row.
Oh! Oh!
You're welcome.
I hit the blue one. Just for you.
Okay, that's wrong.
Oh!
Go. That's not nice.
That is not very nice.
That's not nice. Yeah. So really sweet. Bam, bam.
Thank you. Oh, wasting that item. Not on me.
Ah, fudge. No, no!
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, man! Revenge. Yes, that's a fucking.
Was that your red one?
Yeah.
If I had gotten that egg a few seconds before, I would have at least ended second. At least.
Nah, you wouldn't.
Are you all happy?
Oh, alright.
Dino
That's
Jungle.
gonna be difficult.
Okay.
What?
To check the camera with
Oh,
some-
the mace kind.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Ah. Oh, come
yeah.
on. That was-
Yeah,
I
I
hate
remember.
that.
What the?
Oh god.
Whoa, whoa, is that? Yeah, that's an elephant.
Oh no.
Dinosaur.
That's the elephant in the room.
I made it!
Oh
I
crap!
made it!
Oh no,
Fudge.
I hate these tracks. No.
Yeah,
We all just very good one, except for Hinkle.
Yeah.
And I lost my items. Ah.
Come on, Luigi, you can do it.
What? Oh man, this delay really sucks.
Oh, the delay is okay.
Ah!
You get
No,
used, you get
no,
used to it.
No, if
Yeah. No, I hate these tracks.
Ah, come on!
Yeah,
Freaking
this is a tough
Boost
one.
screwed me off.
if you're more a player that relies on your reactions, it's a bit difficult with the delay.
What the hell was that? Yeah, it's a dino, of course. It's a Dino Island.
Oh, come on.
Oh my god.
That was fucking good.
What's
You fall
that?
down again?
It's okay, I got a lot of ones to play. Nah, come on.
Oh,
No soup
I
for you.
hate that. I hate that.
I just fell down the first time.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, me too. 3 times already.
Yeah. And we're only on the second. Oh, come on, we're only on the second lap.
So guys, if we're doing this in the future, so more like if we're planning to do this in the future, yeah, we really need to buy that component cable splitter.
And maybe have a few practice runs on our own.
No, that's
No, but that splitter may really come in.
Yeah, no, I know you want to win, I know.
Oh, how could that have hit me? Come on!
Yes.
Yes! Do it!
Oh, oh. I think that's you.
I'm last.
What is all this battle between us?
Because we suck.
Yeah, that might be true.
no.
No! Oh,
You suck too, because
what?
just ran right into the one and it was there. You could have seen it.
Yeah, I saw it.
Try to
but,
take this.
I wasn't fast enough.
No, of course. So you lose your items.
Yeah. It's
course
really
you
annoying.
I hate
This game hates you too.
No, I hate this.
Game don't
Maybe
care.
Mario Kart doesn't like you either.
I like Mario Kart. I just hate these maps.
Oh, come on!
What?
Yeah, pretty much. Oh! For real.
Oh, what?
oh.
Wood.
Come on.
Wood. Is anybody in the Breath of the Sun?
What?
Who was that guy? Macklemore?
I think so.
I'm gonna take you to the
So what?
candy.
No, that's not.
That's fitting.
That's Broke Zero's
Oh, he's so bored during the race that we talk about some.
No, we are not bored, look.
Where's he from? I think he's from Canada, isn't he?
Macklemore?
Yeah.
Or
Isn't he?
the
From
candy.
Seattle or something.
Where's Macklemore?
Macklemore is the one with the
Canada, not
weird
Canada.
hair cut. You know,
From what?
the thrift shop.
Thrift job.
Ah, thrift.
Thrift job. From the Swift shop.
The thrift shop.
I don't know that.
Somebody's gonna profit from my mushrooms.
Yeah, me. But they took me right into the pit.
Oh,
Into the
I heard a
shit
blue
pit.
shell. I heard a blue shell coming.
Blue shell.
That banana's
No
real
soup for
nasty
you.
on the bridge.
Yeah, thank you.
Blue one incoming.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, come on.
Ah, I see you, Jimmy.
Come on.
Or is it?
no, it's Jimmy.
PJ?
I am far behind.
Jimmy, you need to get out of my way.
In the land before.
You need to let me pass. You know that, right?
Well,
You need to let me pass in order to be fair. And
Bullshit. Who made that rule up?
no, I'm not Waluigi, by the way. That's
Yeah,
that's
that's me.
PJ.
Oh no!
how can you use the mushrooms?
So,
Just
so
like
Mike,
this
Yeah,
for
I know,
bridge,
I
you
know.
so
But
Mike,
I'm not. You did the same thing.
No,
No, I just landed on the track and he hit against me and fell.
so Mike, do you know by now which characters you picked?
Yeah, that's Toad and Copper.
Oh, come on.
Copper,
Now
look at
Copper,
this.
no.
Oh,
Is
yeah.
it called Copper?
Koopa.
Cooper.
Koopa Troop. I'm a Koopa Trooper.
Those freaking water spout.
What the spout?
It's
Where's
Mighty
player
Box,
4?
right on the bridge. I think it's very
Where's player number 4?
That's not
Oh, you finished right at the time when I came into my last round.
Yeah, well, look at that.
Just check the camera. for instance.
Yes. For once, I will take the.
Oh.
How many minutes are left?
Come on.
It doesn't.
No, it's still recording, but it doesn't.
Okay.
So, it just turns off.
Jimmy,
Ah, come on!
you're not going
Yeah,
to
it does.
overtake me.
Those water spouts.
I'd rather do Rainbow Road than this.
Come on, you guys.
Wait.
It's getting boring. Come on.
Is this Rainbow?
Rainbow?
Yeah, Rainbow.
Why do I do that?
It's rain the boat.
Is
It rains bows.
Let's rain the book now.
It rains
Look
the
at those
bows.
beautiful rain the bows.
Come on,
Does
guys.
this
kind of
Rainbow
special, I
Road
haven't
have
seen it.
barriers?
Let's see what you just
It's
got.
just
that's his
green
bathroom.
flames.
Yeah, that's
Green
his bathroom.
flames, yeah.
It's the same
Never
one
seen-
like Mario has, just green.
Never seen it.
So,
It's gonna be the last round right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Fifth and last.
So is there any chance? What's with us? We have 4 points, both of us. Or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
so it's gonna be
Ooh.
Nah,
interesting.
choose
Daisies.
something else. Choose something else.
In the background.
Why?
Yeah.
Actually.
Background.
Okay. You want that?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah,
I
okay.
think if we choose something else,
Okay.
we can choose.
Let's go.
Every time.
Okay then. Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, last round.
Let's do this.
Sorry. Double check.
Tactical stuff.
Here we go.
No, what the fuck?
I'm always forgetting that I'm on the first screen.
I always
My
the
do.
wrong screen.
start is really the best. No, I didn't want that.
Oh,
I kind of don't like that.
I think it's really not my
Oh come on! You're gonna
day
shoot
to
that.
win this.
Oh yes.
Can you still jump in this game?
Yeah. Use the shoulder buttons.
Ah, yeah, okay.
Whoa! What the hell?
How? The
Okay.
trigger buttons, you say?
Shoulder.
yeah, sure.
And you.
You slide with the
Yeah.
shoulder button.
Yeah,
you
but
don't
you
jump.
need to jump to slide.
You
Oh,
don't
no,
jump.
you can't jump.
Yeah.
No, it's not like the N64.
Oh, you're gonna shoot that?
You just press it.
Oh, come on!
Oh, I don't
Oh fuck!
know
on the
anything
side.
in this map.
Oh come on!
Very good.
How
very
do you
good.
fall in
It's
the
gonna take a
pool?
bath.
Oh, there's someone there.
No, you drive into it. That's not the point. I guess.
What's that?
It's me.
You're honking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, when you have no items.
Ah, okay.
Or you taunt.
He's like waving to the cameras.
Jimmy, going to get you.
That you need to catch me. Oh come on!
How can music sound so happy?
I don't know.
Oh,
It's the mastermind
Oh,
at
come
Nintendo, I
on.
guess.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Give me something good. Give me something good.
I tried to break, but it was too late.
Yeah, I was breaking.
Come on.
Who
Jimmy.
is flying?
I didn't do anything.
Jimmy, I'm coming to get you.
It's better for last place.
Yeah, very good.
No, what's that?
I saw somebody crash. Oh come on! And I fell. What?
Yeah,
No,
there's
that's-
a
yeah.
secret track there.
Oh. Huh. Yahoo! Come on. Ah! Banana skin.
Ah, of course.
Thank you. Ah, green fire?
Yeah.
Get 2 red shells in first place.
Oh, no, it was me who crashed into the wall.
Come on!
Ah,
Oh, what's that?
That was the Battle of Rachel.
Of course.
Of course.
Why didn't you hit my bomb? Oh, you have star.
Why didn't you hit my bum? Is that what you said?
Yeah. My bomb.
My bum.
My bomb.
My bomb, my bomb, my bomb.
Why don't you hit my
What's
bum?
this?
Not in the ball?
No! Oh, I hate it.
bomb is on your head. My bomb is on your head. That's very old song.
Oh, come on!
Yeah.
Did you really?
What's this? Come on! I hate you, Jimmy.
Wait, how did you manage to keep it?
Like, the red shells.
You gotta catch me.
Missed a chance to say skill.
What's with all these mushrooms? I only get mushrooms.
I think that's when I crash. I just drop down a mushroom.
I mean, I'm not a
don't know,
dorky.
I'm not
Come
sure.
on. Stop giving me mushrooms. Already? Ah, I'm stuck.
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come
That's
on.
how I roll.
No! I hate it to go there. Go, 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 car.
Okay, it's
Who's losing?
Jimmy.
oh, it's close. It's close.
Oh, nice play.
Nice play.
Nice one.
Very nice.
Not last
Because he could have got
That
you
was-
with this.
Yeah.
Well, our
was a nice
little
one.
splash ended with you
Nice
winning.
one, guys.
Again.
Well
MLP
played. Good
PJ.
games. Ah, that's like
Good game.
Good game. That's good game.
Well,
That's it for this episode of Belts.
Belts.
Battle Day.
Yeah, Battle Day. Okay.
As
we're going
simple
to
as
make
that.
a scoreboard.
Scoreboard
for
tomorrow.
next, yes, and so you know,
And
you won.
this
Second
one.
place,
Second place.
third place, and fourth place.
Rivalry.
Maybe
First-
next game.
first loser,
Maybe next
first
game.
loser.
Okay. We'll see about that in the next
Yeah,
battle.
it's an ongoing battle.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not
yeah.
finished today.
Well, see you again next week and hit that share button.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hit that.